We just got back from our local Walmart, and we have the Disney Pixar Lightyear cars. There are 5 in the set, and I just found these. I don't know how long they've been out, but they're new to me. So let's get right to it. Welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. We just got back from our local Walmart, and we have the Disney Pixar Lightyear cars. There are 5 in the set, and I just found these. I don't know how long they've been out, but they're new to me. So let's get right to it. Number 1 is the Sir Ominous, and that is done in a, wow, this is a metal body. It is done in white pearl, has a green pearl interior. Window is very dark tinted. I'm going to guess that the interior is green pearl, just like the hood scoop and the front grille. Tampos on the side, they are very dark green, olive green, purple, red, you name it. There's a whole bunch. You can see them in the picture. I don't need to explain it to you. The base is also pearl green. The wheels are green chrome PR5s, got big ones in the back, little ones in the front, and that is it. Sir Ominous. Number 2 is the Hyway Hauler 2, and that is done in a purple metallic, the cab is, and the back is a different color purple. The box, got a picture on the back there. And I don't know who that is. If you saw the movie, I haven't seen the movie yet. Nothing that my granddaughters wanted to see yet. So, but I'm sure we're going to watch it. If you know who they are, who the characters are, put them in the comments below. Let's see. The window on this is a charcoal metallic. Looks like it's got a lot of metallic in there. The base is charcoal metallic. Goes with the stacks and all that there, the front grille. The wheels are dark purple chrome. They are all the same size all the way around. And that is it for the Hyway Hauler 2, which is number 2 of the 5. Number 3, 67 Chevelle SS396. And that is done in a very dark maroon. And, I don't see any metallic in this at all. That's pretty neat. Tampos on the roof says SC, and there's also a logo right next to that. The interior is black. Windows, very, very dark amber. You can hardly see through them. The base is chrome, goes with front bumper, front grille, rear bumper, rear grille, or rear deck, whatever that thing is, their rear panel. The wheels are a light blue chrome 5-spoke. Got big ones in the back, little ones in the front. And the tampos on the side, it says Star Command. And there are a whole bunch of people on the side there. And I would not do it justice trying to explain who they are or what colors are in there. But yeah, 67 Chevelle SS396. First car I ever built for a friend of mine, or actually worked on. We did the motor, transmission. Man, I had a vertical gate shifter in there. I must have put that linkage on there 15 times before we figured out how to make it work properly. We get out in the middle of the road and we'd be in reverse or be in third gear. Who knows what we were doing. We didn't know what we were doing. I was 16 years old. But yeah, called it the Beast. Was blue. Blue 67 Chevelle with small block in it, 327. But yeah, this is it. Number 3, 67 Chevelle SS396, big block car. Number 4, Fast Feline. And that is done in, wow, that's a really cool pearl yellow metallic. I don't know, man. It's a really, really cool color. It has some gray plastic scoops on the front there, on the hood. Interior, I'm going to guess is the gray plastic. Can't really see the color because the window is a very dark red transparent. Yeah, it's got to be, because you can see it coming through the black plastic base, and it's got a the oil pan in gray plastic also. So I'm going to guess the interior is gray plastic. But yeah, the base is black plastic. You can see the gray oil pan coming through it, and the gray plastic grill coming through the other grill in the black plastic. Also in the back, there's some gray coming through that too. Tampos on the side, you can see black and orange and all kinds of colors. The wheels are red chrome OH5s, open hole 5s. Got big ones in the back and littler ones in the front. And that looks pretty cool. I love that color. Man, that's a really neat color. And that is number 4, the Fast Feline. Last one up, number 5. And it shows a little kitty on there. Now, why wouldn't they put the kitty on there for the Fast Feline? You know? I don't know. But this is the Amazoom. And that is done in a blue. Is that pearl? I don't know. Could be pearl. It's a dark blue plastic body. Has a flat black metal base on it. Interior. I don't see an interior. All I see is black plastic windows. The grill in the front is part of the metal, flat black metal base. Looks like they're flat black. Oh, could be. Yeah. All right. Yeah, because the window is too shiny, so it has to be part of the black, flat black metal painted base on it. Wheels. The wheels are copper chrome, and they're 5 spokes. Got big ones in the back and little ones in the front. And there's a tampo on the roof, white, like a rectangle with SOX on it. And the side, there's a 01 in white and a little kitty on there. And well, you can see all the colors that are on there. And that is it. That is number 5, Amazoom. And there you go. All 5 of the Disney Pixar Lightyear cars. Again, I found them at our Walmart just a little while ago. And actually, I was there today, and they still had a couple of these. So they seem to be going pretty good. I don't know how many that the Walmart normally gets, but I was lucky the other day when I found all 5 of them all at once. And I think they are $1.97. I don't think they're the $1.17 or $1.19 cars. I think they're the $1.97 cars. And that is it. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Appreciate when you guys stop by. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe so you know every time that we get a video out there, an episode. And of course, please be kind to one another. Please check out our Mike Zarnock official Hot Wheels coloring book done by Fireball Publishing, and you can find it on Amazon, and you can find it on Etsy, and of course you can search it out. So there you go. But until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves, and please be kind to one another. All right, you take care. Bye-bye.